everyone, this is Priyanka from Zricks.com, and today I'm going to showcase you one of the projects by Mapsko called Mapsko Casabella. Talking about the location of this project, it is in close proximity of NH8 and Dwarka Expressway. If we talk about the schools, St. Xavier's and DPS International are also in close proximity. And if you talk about the hospital, then Medanta and Rockland are close by. And talking about the shopping places here, then Ansel Hub and Sapphire are also in the close proximity. This project is built in a very nice locality and in the residential hub. Now let me showcase you the beautiful penthouse that has been built on the top floors of all the towers. Right now I am at the lift lobby of Casabella on the 20th floor, and I'm going to showcase you the penthouse today. But before that, let me explain you this area. So they provide you two lifts. One is the service lift and the other one is the passenger lift. They also have an emergency exit, and because Casabella takes care of your security and safety, they also provide you fire extinguisher or the complete fire system that helps you when there is any emergency. You can run away or you can take a help of the security to use it. The other staircase that you see is for the passengers. Now let's go inside and let me showcase you the complete penthouse that is beautifully designed. So this is the beautifully designed penthouse. The configuration of this penthouse is 3754 square feet. It's a 4 BHK. So let me take you inside. Once you enter this penthouse, there's a huge foyer space, and then on the other hand, there's also a room for your domestic help. I will showcase you that later, but let me first showcase you the complete penthouse. So once you enter, you will see this beautifully designed living area, which comes with a dining area as well. So they have huge space for your dining area and then living area, and then there is another separate space that can be converted into a bar if you like to drink, but in other cases you can also convert it into a library depending on your choices. So there's enough space for that, and then there is also a window for natural lighting. This living area comes with an attached balcony. So this one is a long balcony that comes with a beautiful view of the entire project and even the projects that are apart from this one. Moving along, there's a guest room on the other hand of the penthouse. Now this room can be converted into a personal room depending on your choice, or completely into a guest room. This wardrobe space is big enough to accommodate all your clothes. Then coming along, it comes with a bathroom that also has a separate shower space, a toilet seat and the vanity. So when you come for the possession, you will get the raw flat, but this is how you can design your flat. This is just an idea. The guest room also comes with the attached balcony. This balcony is big enough to adjust your chairs and table and enjoy your morning tea here and with the beautiful view. So this balcony also comes with the same view but with a larger area. The guest room is big enough to have your chair set up or your sitting area, and they also have a place for your TV arrangement, so that is also there. Then comes the huge L-shaped kitchen. It has amazing construction and then also comes with the utility balcony. You can keep your washing machines or your dryers here, and it has enough space for that. Even though you will get the raw flat, but this is something how you can design your flat. You can have your fire area over here and even your TV setup, or just place your showpieces over here. Then comes the attraction of this penthouse, which is this beautifully designed terrace. On this terrace you can arrange your parties, you can have your barbecues and just enjoy the sun. So this also gives you a beautiful view, and it is huge enough to gather all your guests and your family members. Now opposite to this beautiful terrace, we have the puja room, your space for worshipping. And this is huge enough to have a beautiful setup or set your mandir. This space can also be converted into a storage space because you can keep all your showpieces or just a random table and just keep your books over here. Then the penthouse also has a storage space. So this storage room is also big enough to accommodate all your essentials. Moving on. Now this bathroom can be used by your guests because it is the only bathroom that connects you towards the living room and also to the another room that is on the opposite side. Moving on to the other room. Now this is another room and it is also coming with the attached balcony with a beautiful view. This is also huge enough to have your sitting arrangements and can be also converted into a small library on the other hand. Then they also have the TV setup arrangements. You can also have your wardrobe on this side. So this is exactly how you can convert your room. But then again, completely depends on your choices and demands. I will now showcase you the balcony. If you will notice, you will see that from all the balconies and the rooms, there comes natural lighting. That's a plus point about this house. Again, this balcony comes with a beautiful view and gives you the same view that all the other balconies are giving you. Now I'll take you to the kids' room, or completely depending on your choice how you want to convert that room into. This beautiful room is kids' room. So this again is a very huge room, can have your study area on both the sides and then can also have your books on the other hand, or can be converted into a library, which comes with an attached washroom that has a separate shower area and then the toilet seat and the vanity. And it is very cutely and beautifully designed for the kids. The whole house has a lot of balconies and windows, so this way natural lighting keeps coming in, so you do not need electricity all the time to have the lighting in the house. Now this is another amazing and the best part of the penthouse, that is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is an L shape and it is huge. On this side you can have your lounge area and then also you can convert this area into your workspace or your library, small library depending on your choices. It is huge enough to give you your personal time. If you will notice, there is a lot of space for your chair, so you can convert different areas of this room into different requirements. Like this one can be converted into a workspace, the other one can be converted into a library, and then you also have space for your lounge. Since it is master bedroom, it obviously comes with an attached balcony. Master bedroom gives you another view of the other side of the apartment. So this balcony gives you a beautiful view of the entire sector and then the greens also. Now moving on to this beautifully designed and huge wardrobe space. This wardrobe space is so big that you can, store your necessary and unnecessary things here and nobody will know. Now, on the other hand, you can also place a huge mirror to give you a better feel of the walk-in wardrobe, or you can design it the way you want. It is attached to the washroom. Again, the washroom is so big and huge. It comes with the vanity and the toilet seat and then also the shower area. This is huge enough to even place your bathtub. Coming back to the domestic health area. So even your domestic room is so big to place your beds. Then it has the attached washroom that comes with the vanity and the toilet seat and the shower area on this side. Well, this was the complete tour of Mapsko Casabella penthouse. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions or queries, you can contact us on the below mentioned number and we will help you out. Thank you so much. And if you also want to showcase your properties on Zricks.com, you can contact us on the below mentioned number. Thank you.